Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a very simple sauce. It contains only two main ingredients, garlic and olive oil. I don't know who doesn't have that at home. Here's my dish that I made today for you guys. It's just a bassa fillet with potatoes and onions on grill with the main ingredient of today's video, which is the Aglio sauce. So, I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. As usual, let's start the recipe by taking a look at the table to figure out what we'll need. So, we'll need 1 clove of garlic. We'll need about half a teaspoon or so of mustard. We'll need some vinegar, about 10 milligrams. You can use lemon juice if you would like. Doesn't really matter. We'll need some pepper, some salt. We'll need 1 egg white and about 100 grams of oil. You can use sunflower, canola, olive, whatever you like. So, now the first step. We take our garlic and we start mincing it. We do it very finely, as fine as you can, because you shouldn't really taste it. I mean, you should taste it, but you should not be able to find it and pick it out of your sauce at the end. This is the mincing technique that I use, at least. You can do it differently if you can. Maybe you can teach me. This is the way I do it. So we mince it as fine as we can. So I'm gonna mince it about this fine. If you can do it finer, it's better. It's finer if you can do it finer. But I'm gonna stop at this. So now, this is the bowl that I'm gonna use where I'm gonna mix the sauce. I'll start by putting the egg white in there. Then I'm gonna add my mustard, about half a teaspoon, as I said. We'll tweak it to the taste later, but this is the start. Then I'm gonna do about half of what I have of vinegar, about 5 milliliters or so. Then we're gonna add some pepper and salt. Again, just don't put too much. Start with a little pinch and then we can tweak it later, because everybody has a different taste. I'm gonna tweak it to my taste, obviously. Lastly, we're gonna add the garlic in there. You know, Olio is actually, I think, from Spanish or Italian. It means garlic and olive oil. So, you know, this kind of explains why this recipe has so much garlic. But you can actually replace olive oil with sunflower or canola or vegetable oil or whatever kinds of oils there are. But yeah, in the original one, in the original recipe, they use olive oil. So now we're gonna start mixing. We give it a little mix first, and then we're gonna slowly start adding our oil. Don't add the whole thing at once. You go little by little. This is actually the same technique that you use to make mayo, if any of you guys have ever made mayo at home. I do it once in a while. My family really likes mayo. I don't, but this sauce, in fact, is really good for basically any meat and vegetables. I'm gonna use it for fish. You know, Olio, actually, it's a very popular recipe along the northern Mediterranean shore. So, you know, southern France, eastern Spain, northwest Italy, whatever other countries there are, I think that's it. Yeah, it's very popular, and it actually has very many different variations. This is just one of them. The traditional one, it only uses olive oil and garlic, but I just wanted to play with the taste, and I kind of went with this one. In fact, in Catalonia, I think it's a region of Spain, they add something pretty unique. They add pears. I don't know what they do with them, mash them or what. They add pears to this sauce. Weird, right? But I think I'm actually gonna try it someday. If any of you guys think that this sauce is very fatty and, you know, very greasy, and you're gonna gain weight or something, don't worry about it, because, you know, I've been whisking this thing for a few minutes now, and I feel like I've lost a few pounds already.
2 hours later.
And there we have it. Only about 5 minutes later or so, after beating this thing for freaking ages, I have this thing, which is kind of like mayo in texture. And this is how your sauce should be. I added enough of, you know, salt, pepper, and mustard for mine. But, you know, if you would like to add more vinegar or more salt or whatever, go ahead and tweak it to your taste. But this is the result that you should get. And there we have it. I have fish with potatoes made on grill with Olio sauce. Look how delicious that looks. So, thanks for watching this recipe. I hope you guys will enjoy making this at home or just eating. It honestly takes like 5-10 minutes, which is nothing, and it goes with anything. Chicken, fish, turkey, veggies, whatever. So, thanks for watching again. Please subscribe and comment if you can. Rate the video by putting likes or dislikes. And enjoy the food. Thanks.